I hope the camera is on. Yeah. So, hi dear Virgos, a very good afternoon to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a love reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising. Okay. So, this is a reading from 11th of June till 20th of June. Okay. So, let's start. I'll tap into your current energy, your partner's current energy, what they feel for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from your person till 20th of June with clarifications. Let's start. Let's see your partner's current energy, Virgos. Your partner's current energy right now is your partner's current energy right now. Eight of Pentacles. So Virgos, I feel like your partner is busy doing something, busy working on something, busy making something from their own hands. Might be they're busy making money. So this is the Eight of Pentacles energy. We will further clarify this energy. But I feel like right now your partner is busy in doing something, busy in making money. Might be spreading their business, expanding their business, or expanding their job, something like that. Let's clarify. It could also be possible that they are working on the personal life of theirs and working on the emotions and trying to put in the effort and energy from their side in this connection. But let's clarify Eight of Pentacles as your partner's current energy. The Lovers, you could be dealing with a Gemini. Eight of Pentacles again, and the Page of Wands. So I feel like this person is busy putting in the effort, putting in the work from their side in the love connection that they are having with you, because it's a lover's energy. They still carry lots of emotions for you, they still have lots of love for you, physical pull towards you, physical attraction towards you, and they're trying to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side, and they're trying to start this connection all over again, because they're feeling like they still carry a little passion for you. This is some kind of immature energy, kid like energy. So right now they are feeling passion for you, right now they are feeling like yes, they have love for you, attraction for you, but this is not fully developed. Okay, this is their feeling for, this is their current energy, that they want to put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the work from their side to start this connection all over again, or to start this passion, to ignite this passion between you guys again. This is their current energy. Let's see, Virgos, what your current energy is. Virgos, your current energy right now is. Your current energy right now is. Let's see, Virgos. King of Cups. So I feel like you are deeply in love with someone. Okay, Virgos. So the first meaning of this card, the King of Cups, is that you are deeply in love with someone or somebody, or about something in your life, deeply passionate about something in your life. Or it could also mean that you are working on yourself, your love, your self-love, your self-healing, or loving yourself a lot, emotionally stable. You are feeling emotionally stable right now. This is not unstable energy that one day you are going that side, one day you are going that side, or you're not confused at all. Let's clarify further your current energy, Virgos. Let's see. Let's see. The Death card could be dealing with the Scorpio, the High Priestess, and the Six of Pentacles. So yes, I feel like you are carrying lots of love and lots of passion for this particular connection, because that card is telling me that there was something that broke up in this connection. The you guys separated from each other, you guys broke up with each other, but you try to listen to your intuition. Your intuition was telling you that you still carry lots of emotions for this person. Your intuition was telling you that there is still a lot of potential in this connection, and then after listening to intuition you felt like you should have an equal give and take in this relationship with this particular person, and that's why you are carrying lots of emotions for this person, because you still feel like there is still something left in this connection, and there should be equal give and take of energy from your side and from their side as well, and that's why you are carrying lots of emotions for this person. Still you are carrying lots of love and lots of emotions for this particular person, and this person also wants to put in the effort, put in the energy from their side to start to ignite the passion in this connection all over again. I feel like intuitively I'm feeling like this is a reading for some married people. For some of you, I feel like you guys are married and you are still very connected to your spouse, and your spouse is really trying their best to ignite the passion, to ignite the love in this connection all over again. Okay, Virgos, let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see what this person feels for you. The feelings for you, Virgos. The feelings for you, let's see. The World. So I feel like this person is feeling like everything is finished in this business, everything is completed in this business, in this love relationship. Sorry about the business word. So I feel like this person is feeling like this relationship is completed, this relationship is over, this cycle is completed, but there is still some kind of unfinished business left, because this is a circle. Although it is completed, but there is something that is going round and that is not finished. Okay, let's clarify their feelings for you. Let's clarify the World card as their feelings for you. Let's clarify. The Magician, the Three of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. Okay. So I feel like this person was manifesting. I feel like this person is manifesting. Manifesting. I'm not getting the exact word. My throat chakra is blocked now, because I feel like this person is manifesting that this heartbreak should be over. Okay, yes, this heartbreak should be over. This anxiousness, this stress, this energy of negativity should be over. Okay, and they want to complete this cycle. They want to complete. They want to end this cycle of pain and trauma and anxiousness and stress. This is what I'm feeling like they feel for you. Okay, so they feel like this pain should end, this trauma should end, this anxiousness, this stress, this negativity should end, and we should start all over again. Okay, this is what they are manifesting. They are manifesting an end to this heartbreak, an end to this anxiousness and this sleeplessness, this trauma. This is what they are feeling for you. They want to put an end to this trauma that you guys are going through. Yeah, there's some kind of trauma, there's some kind of stress, negativity, toxicity, conflict going on, and they want this to end. This is their feelings for you. Let's see what they want from you, Virgos. Let's see what this person wants from you. The Fool. So this person wants to have a brand new beginning with you. This person wants to start this connection all over again with you. This person wants you to believe this person and trust them and take a leap of faith with this particular person. Take the risk of your life with this particular person, because this person is feeling like the universe will handle everything. The universe will handle each and everything what is coming towards you or what is coming towards this connection. They are very, very faithful about, very, very happy about this future, and they are very, very, what should I say, they are very, very hopeful. Yes, hopeful is the exact word. They are very, very hopeful that everything is going to be fine. Let's clarify the Fool as what they want from you, Virgos. Judgment, Seven of Swords, and the King of Wands. I feel like this person wants you to forgive them, and they are ready to forgive you. Okay, so this person is ready to be forgiven and ready to forgive. This is their situation right now. They want you to forgive them. They want you to forgive yourself and start all over again. They want you to come out of this self deceptive energy, because they can feel it that you love them. I feel like you are self decepting yourself. You are just trying to wear a mask and tell them that you don't want them, or you don't need them, or you don't have any kind of feelings for them. But they can feel it like they have that you have lots of passion for them. You still carry lots of passion for them, you still carry lots of emotions for them. They can feel it, and that's why they feel like you should come out of this situation. You should come out of this masking thing of yours and just start all over again with them. Take the leap of faith with them. This is what they want from you. Okay, they want you to forgive them and come out of this self deceptive energy. Don't hide your feeling, don't hide your emotions from them, because they can see it, they can feel it like that you still carry lots of passion for them, still carry lots of emotions for them, and that's why they want you to start all over again, to have a brand new beginning in this connection. Okay, Virgos, let's see what to expect from your person till 20th of June. What to expect from this person till 20th of June, Virgos. Let's see. The Emperor. I feel like this person is going to take some kind of decision regarding this particular connection, and they might be very very rude, very adamant, but loyal. It is some kind of energy that is very very rude and very very loyal. It is a fatherly figure. It is somewhat rude, but they care about everybody. They provide shelter, they provide food to everybody. So I feel like this person is going to take some kind of decision, and they are going to stick to it no matter how you are going to feel about this particular decision of theirs. Let's see. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the Emperor as the potential outcome from their side. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify. The Moon, the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups. Yes. So I feel like this person went through a lot. Went through a lot of fears. You could be dealing with the Cancerian. So this person went through a lot of fears, a lot of concealing their feelings, lots of hiding their feelings, lots of depression, lots of negativity, lots of toxicity. They went through hell lot of conflicts in their life, hell lot of toxicity and negativity in their life. And after this situation, they have just decided, they have decided that they want to have a brand new beginning in this connection. They want to offer you something solid, offer you a relationship, offer you a beautiful relationship offer you a beautiful connection, offer you a beautiful long-term committed relationship. So I feel like this person is going to decide that they want to have a brand new beginning in this connection, and they want to offer you a beautiful cup of love, and they want to offer you a solid committed relationship, and they are coming in towards you with this kind of energy. You could be dealing with an Aries. I just got it that you could be dealing with an Aries. So yes, this is all about your love life till 20th of June, Virgos. I hope this will give you some kind of insight that what you have to do in the future with with this kind of energy. So keep in mind, it might or might not resonate with you guys because it is a journal of reading. Okay, you just have to keep what is resonating with you, and leave the other part of the video. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Virgos. This is Anjali Tarot. God bless you. Namaste. Thank you so much.